Hello, all. Welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the most important topic in Python. It's a strings. Okay. So, why we are string is very essential. Okay. So, if you want to understand why string is essential in Python, so in real world, most of the applications deals with text data. Okay. So, when you talk about text, so it's most important to understand how to do modification on strings or modification on a text to achieve some output. Okay, so by the end of this video you will learn what strings are, how to create a strings, string indexing, slicing, important string methods. Okay, yes. So let's get start. So I will create a new file with the name strings.py. Okay, what are strings? Okay, strings are nothing but is a sequence of character enclosed within a quotes. Okay, so when I say enclosed of sequence of character, so let's say welcome to Python crash course. Okay, so welcome to Python crash course is a sequence of text and it has been enclosed in within a quotes. Okay, so let's say name is equal to sdet made. So sdet made simple. Okay, Python's allows single string. Example, I will write single is equal to sdet double sdet made and triple. Just what we wrote here, right? Sdet made simple. So this is a triple line. I mean triple text. So these are all the valid strings available in Python. Okay, it's not like it will allow only single character, single string, double string, or triple string. We can add many things also. But what I'm trying to say is, so it will allow all this kind of a text. Okay, is so creating a strings. Okay, so let's say city is equal to Bengaluru. So here we are putting we have Bengaluru is a text which is enclosed within double quote. Okay, next I will write country. So India. So here what we are doing. So now this text is enclosed within single apostrophe. Then I will write a message. Okay, welcome to Python crash course. Okay, so now I'm keeping all this text inside triple apostrophes. Okay, so these are all the valid string creation. Okay, so now we'll see how to access characters. Access characters. Okay, so let's call text is equal to Python. Okay, so here each character in this word have an index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is nothing but P, 1 is nothing but Y, 2 is nothing but T, so and so. Okay, so now if you want to print only T, okay, or if you want to access only T, then what we do, so we'll write like this. Okay, so what it is doing, it's indexing. If you remember in a list, we used to do 0, 1, 2, 3. Similar to that, in string also, we'll start with 0, 1, 2. And when I say 2, 0, 1, 2 is nothing but our T. Okay, so let's print this. You can see here, now I'm printing T. Okay, so again, so now I'm going to print last word. Okay, So last word is nothing but n. So to print this last word, so I will be writing like this. See, -1 is nothing but n. Okay, you can see here I'm printing n. Okay, so now, so this is how we are going to access the characters in a string. Now we do string slicing. Okay, so what is string slicing? String slicing nothing but, see, I have a string with a 10 characters, but in that I don't want to take all 10 strings. Instead of that, I want to take only 5 characters. Okay, so example, text is equal to welcome to Python crash course. Okay, so this, it has more than 10 characters. So in that, if I want to print only first 5 characters, okay, so in that case, what I do, print text 0 to 0 1 2. What, so now what I'm printing is I'm slicing the complete text, complete string into until sixth character. Okay, when I say sixth character, it will be 0 to 5. You can see welcome. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Right? So it's going to print welcome. Okay. So similarly, if you want to print the letters or characters after seventh value, then I'll just write this. So now it will print from this space. Okay, so this is how we are going to slice the string. Okay, so and we have one more thing, step slicing. Okay, so here we will be mentioning, will not give start and end of the value. So instead of that, we'll just give a step of 2. So for each letter 0, 2, 4, 6, like that it will print. You can see here 0, 2, 4, 6, like that it's going to print. Okay, so now, okay, so now we'll see how to get string length. Okay. To get the string length, so in Python already we have a predefined function. Let's say Python. So to print the length of a text, what we do, length of text. So if you run this, so it will give 6. 6 is nothing but the length of the string. Okay. So now case conversion. Okay. So text is equal to Python. So here now everything is in a small letter. Now if I want to make it in capital letters, so what I do, print text dot upper. So this function will convert small letter Python to capital letter. So similarly, if you are given this as a in capital letter, so you can use lower. Okay, so that will convert the text to case conversion. Okay, so now uh, we'll have one more text is equal to Python. So here I want to remove the space. We have some space. How to remove that? Text dot strip. So this strip, what it will do? So it's going to remove the space just before and after the text. Okay. So now we have a replace. We can replace a text in a string. So let's say I have a sentence. I love Python. Okay. So now, so I'm going to replace sentence dot, so Python with Java. Okay. So I will run this. So initially I was printing I love Python. After this replace, it is become Java. Okay. So similarly, we have text splitting. Okay. data is equal to apple, banana, grapes. Okay. So now I want to split the string. Okay. So if you want to split the string, then we need to mention with which character you are going to split it. Okay. Here you can see we have a comma. So I will write it. I will write like this: print data dot split comma. Okay. So it's a string. Okay. So if I print this, it's going to give a list of a data, whatever the data we have added. Okay. So now similar to that, we have a join string. So when I say join string items is equal to C plus Java. Okay. So now what I will do, I will join the items print. So I'm going to write this is my character with which I'm going to join. Okay. Join items. Okay. So now if I print this, right, you can see all these strings or characters are joined with this string. Okay. Similarly, we have a find string. Okay. Text is equal to Python crash course. Okay. So now I will print text dot find what I want to find. I want to find Python. I want to find crash. Okay. So if it identifies this, okay, you can see here, if I run this, so it will say, so if it finds some text, it will say yes, it found, and it will print as a 7. If it returns, let's say I will give crash and run this. So I'm going to get a -1. -1 means it's not able to identify the value. Similarly, we have many other concepts like whether the string is alphanumeric or a number, or whether it's a digit, all these things. So we can try that. Okay, you can try from your side, and what are the I would say is digit. Okay, is digit or is alpha. Okay, or is alpha new. Okay, so these are all the other inbuilt functions what we have in Python. Okay, so we can try is digit is used to check the digit whether the given string is a digit or not. Alpha is nothing but whether it just contain alpha values, alphabetics. Is alphanumeric is like it's a mixture of both uh, alphabets and the numbers. Okay, so hope you understand this concept in Python. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.